So starting with the basics, fault code readings, fault code clearance, right? We can just perform readings on the system. Remember, we handle proprietary codes from the manufacturer, so this is specific for the model and the engine. We see there's internal error on the electronic control unit. In some occasions, we're gonna find out troubleshooting guides and step-by-step smart guides for our mechanics team. We can also get aids and help of components related to the cost. We can see the freeze frame data. As you can see, we have more data to read. Let's say we're having a fault on the turbocharger, the AD1. We can see we're experiencing a faulty performance. If I want to take a look at the freeze frame data, I can see priority, the date, and the hour of last occurrence. I can see this is a system state active fault code. Where we have the help and components related to the fault code, we can read possible causes for the fault code. On the diagnostic side, we also have technical data, right? We have a list of components that are included on my system, right? I can definitely see pinouts, I can see operational data, I can see diagrams, I can see pictures as well, I can have reference, I can even have electrical wiring diagrams and components, right? Connected to the main control unit. There we go. We can see right there, let's just say the pump module. I can see pinouts to the 3 to the 7, 2 to the 8, to the 64, 69. We can see power supply voltages. That will definitely help our team of mechanics identify any electrical connection they might troubleshoot. We have access to the system data, ECU data, right? As well, VIN code, ECU software version, station number, programming date, service, control unit programming service data information. We've got operational data, maximum and minimum registered values, general operation data, operating times, engine load. We can check the profile load on the engines, oil pressure, and also information about the exhaust gas after treatment system, right? So we've got live measurements. We can run system displays for the fuel system, after treatment system configurations. On the AdBlue DEF model, let's just pick the fuel system right now, right? We can see temperatures, voltages, pressures, temperatures, right? We can even perform road tests, right? This is the EGR configuration on this engine. More complex systems, DOC, DPF, the injection pump, those involved come into the SCR and CUC, right? We've got more information about the tank level, temperature, pressures on the system, right? So definitely we have great coverage on this. I can even do manual selection of specific systems and sensors. I can see we have 140 measurements and components related to this engine. If I want to just take a look at pressure sensors, let's just say fuel pressure and boost pressure, I can click the little gadgets and I'll be able to see real-time monitoring, right? I can even graph, right? I can perform road tests and I can save any comments and save it on that diagnostic report that's been generated at the same time simultaneously, right? System checks, we can perform cylinder cutouts, multiple and manual process. We can do system checks on the AdBlue DEF system. We can actuate the pump and the heaters of the metering system. We can run an intermittent connection test of the switches and sensors, right?
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us at 888-64-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.